Also, here is another batch of fry. It's candy koi, HMPK. You're going to feed them with BBS too. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm JC and you're back at the JC Catalan Vlogs where today we are not going to draw for our winner for our giveaways. We're just going to draw it this Friday, upcoming Friday. So keep updated and stay tuned because I'll be making a daily vlogs starting today again. So as what you see, we've made a video from yesterday Monday. Look what happened a day after we changed water and put some talisay leaves on our jarred betta. The water is now in condition color. What they call this color? Alright, so some of them are making bubble nest already. Alright, and also I'll just give you an update because last night you have a heavy rain here, and then you know what will happen to our fishes because we are just on our fish ponds is outdoor, so it means that if there's a heavy rain, some of my ponds were full water. Basta puno siya tubig sa ulan na matay ang sabay. So just last night, I think it's early in the morning na pala, we have a heavy rain here, but thanks God it's just a heavy rain, there's no flood. And look at my ponds here. Oops, patay din siya. HB blue female is down. Right, so we're gonna check out here. They're good. We're gonna check out our extension of. So look what happened here after that heavy rain. Not all of my ponds or these ref tubs are filled or full with water because of the rain, but they are full of leaves with this macopa tree and this lanzones. See that leaves? There are so many leaves here. Actually, that pond is very full of water because of that rain. Also that. I don't think, or I don't know if some of my fishes got escape. Right, but mostly of my ref tub aren't full. But some of them still have fishes inside. Alright, it's good. So I'm just gonna clean it up and remove these leaves of my ponds. So because of that heavy rain, some of the leaves are just stuck here, brought by the water. We're going to continue removing all these leaves on my pond. So having these trees on our outside or outdoor ponds is very helpful, not very helpful for our fishes or ponds not to be directly hit by the rain, but these leaves are all around it, so we're just gonna remove it. Alright. So usually when there's a heavy rain, I usually change water all of these ponds. Just 50% water, 50% of water must be changed because rain is harmful for us humans, especially with these fishes, because rain has acids on it and may be harmful for our fishes, especially young ones like that betta fry, guppy fry. Right, so much better if we change water at 50%. Alright, so we just changed water yesterday and our stock water is just been 1 day, and I don't think that one drum there is enough to change water of this, all of this. I don't think this tub of water is enough to water change 50% of those ponds and ref tubs which is exposed with the rain. So we're just going to remove 50% of water later on. So here are some AOC betta fry. It's almost 2 months old and so we are going to feed them right now with this BBS. Boop. Eat, eat. Since we have not hunt dapnias this early of the morning because it's still raining, so we're just gonna feed them with BBS that we have hatched. Also, here is another batch of fry. It's Candy Koi HMPK, and we're gonna feed them with BBS too. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video and join me tomorrow as I change water this breeder pond for my guppies, breeder guppies. And I'll try my best to do some daily vlogs for updates of our mini fish farm. See you guys next vlog.